Blessed day, everyone. Boss Juvin here, and welcome back to our channel. If your Epson L565 printer suddenly stopped printing, has blinking red lights, and is showing the error, a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life on your screen, you are on the right video, and you don't need to buy a new printer or pay expensive technician fees. In this video, I will teach you how to reset it quickly and for free using just your computer. And you need to do is download our Epson L565 resetter tool located in the description box below. Just a quick reminder, if you can't see the link in the description, please check our comment section. Our link is pinned at the right at the top. It's safe and 100% free download. Make sure your Epson L565 is plugged into your computer using a USB cable and is turned on before we start the reset. So let's get started. So once you download the Epson L565 resetter, we have to extract it using WinRAR. If you have WinRAR, you can use WinRAR to extract to Epson L565 or extract all. Now I choose WinRAR extract to. Okay, so here's the extracted folder now. So once you click on once you open Epson L565 folder, you will see the AdjProg.exe. Okay, so once you just have to double click on that, and then it will show you the Epson Adjustment Program L565. So inside that, that's a adjustment program. So this is our Epson Adjustment Program. For it to work smoothly without any restrictions, you can also right click the Program.exe and select Run as Administrator. Right click or Run as Administrator, and also you can just double click on it. So the software interface is now open. So click the select button and choose L565 under model name and click OK. So it's just default because this is only for L565 Epson. Click on OK. Now click particular adjustment mode, and okay, so scroll down and search for maintenance section and select waste ink pad counter and click OK. Now check the box for the main pad counter. So here's the main pad counter, and check the box for OK here and click on initialize. So now that the program is open, just carefully follow my clicks here. So it's okay. Okay, not yet. Before initialize, you can just click on the check button first. This will show the current status of your printer. If it has reached 100%, it means the digital counter is full. It will show there here in the percentage here. So which is why the end of its service life error appears. That's the reason why if it reaches 100%. Now this error shows up because we don't have a printer connected right now. So it will only it shows only that there's no printer connected and it cannot see the printer. So if this is happening to you, even if you don't have the printer, you can just unplug the USB cable and plug it back in. Okay, so to clear this and reset it back to 0 if there's 100% in there, and check the main pad counter, make sure that this is checked. Now this time click on initialize button next to it. Okay, click on initialize. Now a pop-up box will appear asking for confirmation. Just click on OK. And okay, so after that it will show a box, but this box is like I said, this is there's no printer connected, so it's showing this error. So okay, And there you go. So that's only super fast. So a pop-up will appear saying please turn off the printer. At this part, do not click OK just yet. What you need to do is go to your printer and press the actual power button of your Epson L565 to completely turn it off. Now, once your printer is off, go back to your computer and you can now click the OK button on the screen. After that, you can turn your printer back on and you will notice that it's running normally again. There are no more blinking red lights and the power light is steady. This means our reset is a success. So that's how easy and fast it is to reset the Epson L565. Again, the link is in the description and in our pinned comment. If this simple screen tutorial helped you, please leave a like on our video, drop a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe to Boss Juvin channel for more easy tech guides and tutorials. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.